time to take a quick look at our ebook and other resources that we have to offer you and your students for geology. So you'll sign in with your email, and then the password is the word welcome with a capital W and the number 2. You hit sign in, and that takes you to your instructor resource site where we can put all of our books. I'm sorry, my internet seems to be a little draggy today. All right. So I've already added your book. This is where you can get to your PowerPoints and manuals. This is a test stream generator. My purpose here is to go through things pretty quickly to give you an idea of what we have to offer. I've set up a practice course, so click on that. And this takes us to MindTap. And MindTap is the ebook with the resources built into it. All right, very easy to use. As I go through this, realize it's very customizable. It can go into Blackboard. The grades can flow into Blackboard. You can have things for practice. You can hide things. Each chapter is set up pretty much the same. We have a reading, which is our ebook. Ebook has some nice features. Kids can put in their highlights. You, the instructor, can highlight it, and it goes to all your students. Students can add a note, but you, the instructor, can add a note. Also, the text can be read to the students. So if they just have a word they want to know how to pronounce, or if they want to listen to it all on their phone on the mobile app, they are able to do that. So every chapter is pretty much the same. After the readings, there'll be a quiz type just to check their reading. So the quizzes typically be multiple choice type questions, might be true, false, but just something to kind of get them to check that they've read the assignment. Then we have concept animations. So most chapters have some. This one happens to have 3, and these can also be graded. So they're going to watch an animation. And if I get my mouse over there, we'll take a look at one. So here you see there's some reading, and then they're going to watch this video, which is the animation. They're typically 3 to 6 minutes. And after they've watched it, then they have to answer these questions, which would be graded automatically. Okay. So that's a nice way for them to watch something and then be evaluated on it. Then we have another type of activity, and it could be varying types of studying a situation of different types. So here they do some reading, look at some pictures, read, look at some graphs. So they're studying this information, and then they answer the questions below. All of this you can go in and play with yourself. There's a map quiz, so I'm not going to go into this, but there's a mapping activity that they would look at things, and then flashcards. So there are all sorts of excellent activities for all the chapters in that manner. This is just all of the animations. So you can see most chapters, but not all, have the animations. So that's a very quick look at what we have to offer. So you can go in and click on this and preview it all you want. I'd be more than happy to go over it in more detail. We can get a great price on it for your students. So let me know what you think and how you'd like me to proceed. Give yourself a great day.